In this short video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get perfect streak-free windows. We're gonna do the two towel method that I like to call it to get perfect streak-free windows. We have two towels here. One is a clean microfiber towel and one is a brand spanking new towel. I feel having a brand new towel is gonna give you the best results possible. We're also going to need some distilled or deionized water. And if you saw our last wash video on how to wash your car, we're going to use the same mixture, which is a 1/4 ounce per gallon of the Optimum No Rinse mixed here in our bucket. So now we've got our wash solution here in our bucket. We're gonna take our clean black microfiber towel. We're gonna put it in the bucket here, pull it out, wring it out really good. And so it's this nice and damp right here. If you're doing this in direct sunlight, you're gonna want it to be a little bit more wet. Ideally doing this in a cool, shady area is always ideal. But we're gonna come over here to the window. We're going to wipe it down first. Take our brand new towel and follow up right behind it here. And this is gonna give you a nice, clean, streak-free window, especially if you're doing it out of direct sunlight. We can go ahead, open this up right here, and we can do the same thing on the inside. So that's our process on how to get perfect streak-free windows. If you guys got any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to post them in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer your questions.